There's an old line about a coward dying 1,000 deaths and a brave man dying but one. So words to that effect. Probably don't have the line exactly right. Anyhow, from back in the days when people thought wars were neat. But this is another story. So I don't know if that's the case for me. I won't claim bravery, but as far as worrying about others I love, in this case Dodger, certainly seems to be the case. He's had me mourning in advance a number of times, but this is a happy story because a few days ago he was a wreck and couldn't even stand. And well, you can see now he's out and about. We move slowly when we're about 14, but we're moving and we're standing, and his harness is now off. We have a special harness to help him when he has trouble standing because of his balance disorder and his back legs. But we're doing okay, and I am thankful beyond words.